Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fulfill orders in Shopify. So simply move to order sections. Now as you can see we have opened this, and now what we need to do, just click on the order section, click on create order, and now here type the order name, or like you want to add the product name here, just add the product here. If you have already listed in, add them here. Just I have added this. Now here you can set the price. Here fill the price and add the discount also here. Here you can add the shipping, like what type of shipping you want, free or custom. You can also add the customer, and by completing all these sections you can easily fulfill your order. So here you can type your notes, tags, and if you don't have a customer you can create a new. I have already a customer, so I have select this customer. So when you select the customer, all the details will be appeared on right side. So here is customer details. So in this way you can completely fulfill your order in Shopify.